Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about the 16x2 LCD with the I2C adapter, and we're going to learn how to connect it with Arduino Uno. We will also see how to upload the code, install the library, adjust the contrast and control the LCD backlight. So first of all, let us understand what I2C actually means. I2C is also called I2C or double IC. The full form of I2C is Inter-Integrated Circuit. LCDs come in different combinations and sizes such as 8x2, 10x12, 16x1, 16x2, 20x4 and many more. Right now we're using a 16x2 LCD. This means we have two lines available on the LCD display. Line 1 contains 16 characters and line 2 also contains 16 characters. So overall we get a total of 32 characters on this LCD. LCDs are also available in different colors, for example green, blue, etc. The LCD I am using here is blue in color. If we talk about the extra features, we also have the ability to control the contrast of this LCD. There is also a backlight enable disable feature which helps to make the characters or text more clear and visible. Now if we talk about the normal LCD module, it contains 16 pins. You can count them here one by one. These 16 pins require almost 12 connections for proper interfacing. So these 16 pins may vary in different LCDs, but their functionality is almost the same. Here I also have another LCD. Let's take a look at it as well. On one LCD it is labeled as ground, while on the other one it's labeled as VSS. However, both perform the same function and work as a ground pin. Similarly, you can see the complete pin comparison table here. If we use the traditional method, we will need many jumper wires and a lot of wiring connections, and sometimes the wiring issues can also happen. That is why we use the I2C adapter with the LCD. The I2C module gets attached directly to the LCD and all 16 pins connect with the adapter automatically. After using the I2C module, we only need 4 connections instead of many wires. The first 2 wires provide power to the LCD. SDA stands for serial data, SCL stands for serial clock line. On the I2C module, we also have a potentiometer. This potentiometer is used to control the LCD contrast. If we rotate it towards one side, the display contrast becomes lighter. If we rotate it on the other side, the text becomes darker and more visible. We also have a jumper wire on the I2C module. This jumper wire is used to control the backlight of the LCD. If we remove the jumper, the backlight can turn off. If we connect the jumper again, the backlight turns on. Now we're going to connect this LCD with the Arduino Uno. We're using Arduino Uno because it already provides a built-in 5V output pin, which is exactly the required voltage for our LCD. For the connection, we only need 4 jumper wires. We connect the Arduino Uno with the laptop using a USB cable. After connecting everything, we connect Arduino Uno with the laptop using a USB cable. As soon as we connect it, the Arduino power light turns on. Now we move forward towards the programming section. First of all, if you do not have the required library installed, then go to Sketch, include library, click on Manage Libraries. Wait for a few seconds until the loading is complete. Now search for Liquid Crystal I2C. If you're using a simple LCD without an I2C module, then you only need the Liquid Crystal library. But because we are using an I2C module, we need the Liquid Crystal I2C library. Now scroll down a little. Here you can see that I already have both libraries installed, Liquid Crystal and Liquid Crystal I2C. After that, go to File, Examples, then go to Liquid Crystal I2C. Now open Hello World example. As soon as we open it, a complete default code appears on the screen. Here in the first line, add the wire header file, and in the second line, include the Liquid Crystal I2C library. Now here we can see the LCD address. By default, it is usually written as 0x27. You can also see that the default LCD size written in this example is 20x4, but because we are using a 16x2 LCD, we will change 20 to 16 and 4 to 2. Now one important thing to remember is the LCD address. Usually there are 2 common LCD addresses, 0x27 and 0x3f. If your LCD does not display anything after uploading the code, then make sure you are using the correct address. You can try both of these addresses. If 0x27 does not work, you can try 0x3f. Now here in this code, you can also see that the LCD backlight is turned on. Now before uploading the code, let us understand one more thing. You can see set cursor. This means where you want to place the cursor on the LCD. For example, set cursor 00 means the first line starting position. Set cursor 01 means the second line starting position. Now after checking the code, go to tools menu. First make sure the correct board is selected because we're using the Arduino Uno. We select the Arduino Uno from the board section. Once again go to tools and make sure the correct COM port is selected. For example, here I can see COM8 Arduino Uno. So we're gonna select this port. Now everything is ready. We simply click on upload button. As soon as uploading starts, the Arduino lights start blinking. For the connection, we only need 4 jumper wires. The red wire will go to VCC. Make sure VCC wire is connected to the 5-volt pin of Arduino because LCD works on 5 volts. The brown wire will connect to ground, which is the ground or neutral connection. SDA will connect to pin A4 of Arduino Uno and SCL will connect to pin A5 of Arduino Uno. Now I will complete all these connections. Now let us check the LCD display. Here you can see that Hello World is displayed on the first line and Arduino Uno is displayed on the second line. Now let us test the potentiometer as well. If I rotate the potentiometer towards one side, the contrast becomes lighter. If I rotate it towards the other side, the text becomes darker. Now let's test the jumper. Even if we remove the jumper, the LCD may still keep the backlight on because we already enabled the backlight inside the code. Now if we comment out the backlight instruction in the code and upload the code again, the LCD backlight turns off. Now you can clearly see that the LCD display is still working but the backlight is off. So this is how the I2C LCD module works with Arduino Uno. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video informative, then please like this video, share it with others and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any future updates.